Hey there people, so my name is Ax and I'm an instant healing hypnotherapist, and in today's video I have a really interesting topic. The topic is about anchors and how you can transform your subconscious mind and your entire life to attract abundance into your life doing this one simple technique that I use, and I have gained everything that I have wished for just by using this. Stick around and let's find out how you can do the same. Now, the concept that we are going to talk about is anchors. Now, in the world of neuro-linguistic programming, anchors are considered as stimuli that can generate a particular neurological state inside your subconscious mind. Now, there are two kinds of anchor: internal anchors and external anchors. So let me give you an example about internal anchor. Now, people that go through some kind of traumatic experiences, you might have observed when they are touched on a particular place on their body, that trauma gets triggered. That is an anchor. Now, anchor can be negative, they can also be positive. We can do them consciously as well. But then there are external anchors. These are my favorite. These are the ones that are really less explored, but they have significant influence on our subconscious mind. Now, external anchors can be something along the lines of, that favorite perfume. When you put that on and you just kind of remember that particular time, or when you listen to a particular song and it reminds you of the past, all right, and that feeling comes back, that nostalgia comes back. Now, that is an external stimuli. So what I tend to do is I collect trophies. Now, these trophies are my external anchors. For every achievement that I have in my life, something that is really great, that is something that I consider as an achievement, I try to collect a trophy that reminds me of that particular moment. And because of that, those trophies generate a lot of powerful neurological states inside my body that helps me in getting the desired results in my life. So let me give you guys an understanding about how external anchors work. Now, you might have seen my hand. My hand is full of rings and wristbands. These are actually my anchors. Let me tell you about them one by one. So the ring that I wear, this is the ring that I actually wore as a trophy when I was able to heal a particular woman and get her to speak, because she couldn't speak because of her trauma. And the moment I did the hypnosis on her and she was able to speak, I was like, damn, I've leveled up my game. And that's when I marked that particular achievement with this particular ring, and there it is on my finger. To be really honest, anytime I wear this on, it gives me that vibe of I can achieve the impossible. So this is what this particular anchor does for me, and it generates a really powerful hypnotherapy kind of influence on me. So that works. Then I also have one of these. Now, this was my first anchor. This is the one when I first realized that I can move on from someone just by going inside my subconscious mind and just removing the pain. So I was in a lot of pain. My ex kind of left me, and I was really emotionally dependent on her because I had my father wound and my mother wound. However, once I learned instant healing hypnosis and I went inside my subconscious mind and removed that particular trauma, and I removed the feelings I had for her, I realized, holy smokes, I'm like really, really great at this. From being at a point where I was emotionally dependent to the point where I can switch off my emotions whenever I like, and I can make my emotions do whatever I want them to do, to becoming so powerful that realizing that my entire reality is in my control. That was awesome. So I marked that achievement with this particular wristband, and then I got this one once I made it big in the corporate world, because I was trying to, manifest money into my life, and I was like, all right, what should I do? So I removed my money blockages, and I realized, holy smokes, money started flowing in. And as a result of that, I became really viral on Instagram and even on YouTube to some extent, and that gained me a lot of attraction in my business. So to mark that particular achievement, I got this wristband. Now, I have another one that I recently got, which is the full moon party from Thailand. Now, this particular wristband, I got it from the party, but this marks the achievement for me because I always wanted to attend Asia's largest full moon party, and I did. So to mark that achievement, I have that over here as well. Now, that's my room key, so let's not talk about it. However, if you observe, what we're doing is I have a lot of external anchors on my hand. So anytime I'm wearing them at a subliminal level. Now, what is subliminal? Anything that goes under the conscious threshold. That is something that your conscious mind cannot consciously do, but your subconscious mind can read it. That's what we call subliminal psychology. That means that even if you are consciously not looking at your anchors and generating that neurological state at a subliminal level, your subconscious mind already knows the neurological state that these anchors hold for you, and it's generating that neurological state. So I have observed the more I have these bands and anchors on me, I keep attracting more abundance into my life. I keep attracting whatever I truly desire, and I just love it. I just love it. Because we all need to understand that we attract what we feel inside. What if we can regulate what we feel inside through these external anchors? I'm not saying you need to get a ring and some wristband, anything that you can have on yourself to mark your achievement. The way I prefer to do that is anytime you have some big achievement, right on that day, get yourself an anchor, something that you can wear, and that generates a powerful neurological state that attracts you towards more of those experiences. So guys, now this is the reason that I keep attracting whatever I truly desire. Even if I do not consciously manifest anything, they just walk into my life, they just come at me, because anytime I'm going through my day, I have my external anchors on me and I love them, and they each remind me of a particular achievement. So they all are collectively generating a neurological state inside my subconscious mind that is attracting me to similar places, people, and situations, and that is amazing, right? So I want you guys to try this out. The steps to do this is pretty simple. Anytime you achieve something big in your life, mark it with a trophy, collect a trophy, and have something that you can wear. Because as long as you're wearing something on a daily basis, like, your subconscious mind already knows that he or she is wearing something that they got as a trophy, and the more the subconscious mind focuses on that, it brings back the neurological state that you felt within that particular moment at a subconscious level, and that attracts you towards what you truly desire. You see how magnificent your subconscious mind is. So use this to your advantage. Now that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Up until then, stay safe, stay blessed. Leave a beautiful comment. Express your opinion on this. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and show some love. Bye-bye.